Now we start a new chapter, geometry constructions. So this chapter we will discuss with the help of exercise problems. So see the first question from exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Triangle ABC similar with triangle ALMN. In triangle ABC, AB equals to 5.5 centimeter, BC equals to 6 centimeter, CA equals to 4.5 centimeter. Construct triangle ABC and triangle ALMN such that a ratio of side BC with MN equals to 5 upon 4. That means we have to construct both triangle ABC and triangle LMN. So for that, the length of the sides of triangle ABC are given, and for constructing triangle LMN, the ratio of BC with MN is given, and condition is this triangle ABC and triangle LMN are similar. So first we write here in answer, first we draw a triangle ABC because length of all the sides of triangle ABC are given. AB equals to 5.5 centimeter, BC equals to 6 centimeter, and CA equals to 4.5 centimeter. So see, in base we consider side BC. So length of this side BC equals to 6 centimeter. So we take from scale distance 6 centimeter. So we draw a segment first BC of length 6 centimeter. So with the help of scale you take distance 6 centimeter and draw a segment BC of length 6 centimeter. Then we have to draw a side AB, and a length of AB is 5.5 centimeter. So with the help of compass measure the distance with the help of ruler 5.5 centimeter and arc here taking B as the point. So we mark here 5.5 centimeter, and that point we call A point, and this distance of this point A from B is 5.5 centimeter. So we join this. So before that we have to take distance 4.5 centimeter taking C as the initial point. We put point of compass at point C taking distance 4.5 centimeter and mark arc on this first arc. So in this way we get triangle ABC. Now as triangle ABC is similar to triangle LMN, now we have to draw triangle LMN which is similar to this given triangle ABC. So first we have to calculate length of all the sides. We know that when triangle are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So we write here corresponding sides will have same ratio. Now given condition is BC upon MN equals to 5/4. So from given condition we write here, since these two triangles are similar, we write here AB upon LM is equals to BC upon MN and then AC upon LN, and this ratio is given which is 5/4. So from this, when we substitute the value of AB is 5.5 centimeter. So we substitute this AB as 5.5 centimeter. We have to calculate LM, and we equate this first ratio with this last ratio. So we get LM equals to 4.4 centimeter. So we get the length of side LM. Now we have to find the length of side MN. So substitute the value of BC. So we substitute this BC as 6. We have MN we have to calculate, and so we equate this second ratio with this last ratio. So after calculating we get MN equals to 4.8 centimeter. Now we have to calculate ELM. So we have to substitute AC. Value of CA is given, that means value of AC is 4.5. So we substitute here AC as 4.5. We have to calculate ELN, and we equate this third ratio with this last ratio. We get ELN equals to 3.6 centimeter. Now we know all the length, so we draw a triangle ELEMN. Now make a triangle ELMN with ELM equals to 4.4 centimeter, MN equals to 4.8 centimeter, and ELN equals to 3.6 centimeter. So first we take in base side EMN whose length is 4.8 centimeter. So with the help of scale you have to take distance 4.8 and draw a segment EMN. Now keep the point of compass at EM and mark 4.4 centimeter for the side ELM. So taking distance with the help of scale, we mark taking point EM as initial point and mark at this position, which is distance 4.4 centimeter. So we join this. Now we have to mark ELN. For that we take distance with the help of scale, taking EN as initial point. So arc we mark here. Now join this point with EM. So in this way we construct triangle ELEMN. Now see question number second, which is very important questions. Triangle PQR similar with triangle ELTR. In triangle PQR, PQ equals to 4.2 centimeter, QR equals to 5.4 centimeter, PR equals to 4.8 centimeter. Construct triangle PQR and triangle ELTR such that PQ upon ELT equals to 3 upon 4. Now you have to observe here ELT equals to 4, that means ELT corresponding to 4, that means this triangle ELTR is greater than triangle PQR. So for that we have to draw a rough construction, and with the help of that we have to construct triangle ELTR. So we write in first steps of construction. Draw a triangle PQR with PQ equals to 4.2 centimeter, QR equals to 5.4 centimeter, and PR equals to 4.8 centimeter. Choosing QR equals to 5.4 centimeter as base. So first we consider here base as QR. So with the help of scale we take distance 5.4 centimeter. So we consider here QR at base. Distance of this QR equals to 5.4. So draw a segment of length 5.4 centimeter. Now we have to take point P, which is at a distance of 4.2 centimeter from point Q. So with the help of compass we mark 4.2 centimeter arc from point Q. Then we write this PQ equals to 4.4 centimeter. So we join this Q, or you can mark first then join. So we mark this as 4.4 centimeter. Now we have to take point P, which is at a distance 4.8 centimeter from point R. So with the help of compass we mark again arc, which is at a distance of 4.8 centimeter. So join this. So this is triangle PQR. Now we have to construct triangle ELTR, and triangle ELTR is greater than this triangle PQR, and if you observe the point R is common. Here point R is common, so you have to extend this PR and extend this RQ. So you can interchange these sides. So with the help of this video we see this how to construct this. Now if you observe this, I take R at this position. So first we draw a line RT here, and on the RT we have to take point Q, which is 5.4 centimeter from this R. So we consider here scale and mark R and Q having distance 5.4. Then we have to take PR, which is 4.2, and this 4.8. So see how to calculate. So first we take a distance 5.4 centimeter. So we draw this RQ first. Then we mark this RP, which is 4.8. So at this point we mark 4.8, and then we mark QP, which is 4.2. Now this is point P, so we join this point P with this point Q. So in this way we get R, Q and this P. Now observe this ratio, PQ upon LT equals to 3/4. Now we have to draw this LT. So for that we take here a ray RX. Now you have to take this angle less than 90 degree, that is acute angle here. So we mark here. Now we have to take 4 points on it. So we mark here 4 equal parts. So we take any distance convenient 1 centimeter. So we take 1 centimeter here. And all mark must be of equal length. So we mark here 4 equal part. Now all these point we represent by R1, R2, R3, R4. Now when we join this R3 with Q, which is same as distance, which is same as PQ. So if you take greater angle, then this length increase, and when you reduce this angle, then this length you will get point length decreasing as compared to PQ. So here we join this Q with this point R3. So join this Q with R3 with the help of scale. Then we draw a line parallel to this QR3. So for that we join this R3 with Q with the help of scale. So first we join this QR3 with the help of scale. Now we have to draw a line parallel to this QR3. So for that we mark here, taking R3 as a point, we mark here arc, then same arc we mark here at R4. So we get a parallel line to this QR3. So with the help of compass, or you can use the set square for draw a line parallel to this QR3. So we use here set square, or you can use compass to draw a parallel line to this QR3 and this PQ. So we put this point at R3 and then mark here, then same arc we mark at R4. Then taking equal distance we mark at R4. Now see, we mark taking position at R3, again same we mark at R4. Now we measure this distance. Now we measure this arc. So same distance we mark here. So this distance we mark here also, taking same distance we mark here, and we draw a line passing through this intersection arc. So draw a line passing through this arc from point R4 with the help of scale, which is line parallel to this QR3. So this point we call point T here. This is RT. Similarly, we have to draw a line parallel to this QP. So again using the same concept of arc, so we mark here arc from point Q and from this point T also. So again we mark here and we measure this distance, taking same distance here. We draw a line parallel to this PQ. So join this and pass a line passing through this arc. So this point we call point T here. So this is point L, this is point T. So in this way we get triangle ELTR, which is similar to PQR.